Hi everyone, my name is Ricky Lee with RJ Realty. Today I'm going to show you our latest listing at 11214 Fineview Street, Monte, number 3. This is a 10-unit townhome with only 10 units in this gated HOA and 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Total 1421 square feet space, and it is built in 1981. The location is excellent. It is very convenient in the in between, with easy access to freeway number 10, 605 and the 60 freeway. The location is in the center of Greater Los Angeles. It is only about 20 minutes to downtown LA, 20 minutes to north to Pasadena, San Marino, Arcadia, maybe 20 minutes to Pomona, Roland Heights, and about 20 minutes to Orange County, 25 minutes to South Coast Plaza Shopping Center. So location is excellent, and this unit in particular has great floor plan. The first floor is a living area with kitchen and a living room and a small balcony. The second floor has a loft and 3 rooms with primary suite with walk-in closet and master bathroom. What's special about this unit is the 2 secondary bedrooms share 1 bathroom. However, there's a door access to completely close with privacy, where you can enjoy your privacy from the primary bedroom and the 2 secondary bedrooms with good separation, so that multi-generation or even sharing with roommates still keep great privacy. With no further ado, let's go in and take a look at the house. So we are entering to see there's a good sized balcony, and here's the living room area, updated granite countertop kitchen. It's very clean and well maintained. And this is the dining room area. Now we are heading to the garage and half powder room. There's extra storage. Upstairs powder room. This garage, believe it or not, they are still living inside, but you get extra storage on the top rack, and there's extra storage room. Very deep. Go all the way to the back. Yeah, staircase on the top. So you get each unit get your own additional parking space right here, and there are 2 additional guest parking space to the end of the community. And here is the laundry area. You can see the water heater is updated, and wash and dryer with a window. Very convenient. We're ready to see the second floor. It's laminated wood flooring, and you'll be greeted. This is the second floor loft area, master suite, closet with sliding doors with a track. This is where separation of primary bedrooms with this door. You can completely separate it with master suite. This is the 4 bath with tub. Very high ceiling. Extra storage. Balcony. Let me know if you like it, and we can arrange open house during weekends. It's very convenient. You can literally walk like 20 seconds to this Coswell Elementary School.